Welcome back to another lesson. So this lesson we're going to go get user details. It's kind of like get job post, but we get it through the user's username. So this is another tool in the toolbox. So create this function .get username user/username, sorry, get user details. Then you want to add that up here. So after that's all done, I'll explain this error at 9 in a second. Job posts, sorry, users, get user details. So once again, exports.get user details equals request response, etc. Create this MC user data object, db.collection users. So if it's not, hopefully you got the same as me, otherwise make sure it's the users collection. And then request.param.username. Remember that your username has to be the same as what you put here, so that name has to be the same. Back to here. So we get it if it exists. User data dot user equals doc.data. Then we return job post. So we're getting all the job posts with this username as the username of the job post. So come in here, job post, the username here, like that. Back to here, and then we're going to order them by create. So the ones created, the newest ones are the ones created last, etc. So get it. So if it doesn't exist, we're going to return this user not found. Otherwise we'll get it there, and then go then get the data that we just returned. User.data.jobpost, an empty array. And so if each job post that we return, we go through this. So push on all the details from the job post. Make sure all these are the correct spelling when compared to all these. So you probably copy that and put it on the screen, edit it in like that, and then you want to return res.json user data and catch any errors. So I'm just quickly going through this because you probably know it already. So once that's all done, Option Command S to save all, Command Shift P, Firebase, deploy, -- only functions. I've already done this, press enter. So once that's all done, come into here. Okay, so this is the error you'll first get. Actually, I haven't tried this again, but you'll get this error at 9 because you have to create an index. I'll show you how to do that in a second. I'll just make sure this function is actually working. It is, yep. So you see you get all the job posts back, and you get the user details back as well. So you get the user and all the job posts. So when you click on someone's profile, you'll see all the user details, and then you'll see all the job posts they got. That's the point of this function. So obviously to get this, you want to find something that's got users. So just go to this one, not sure what it is, but Command or Command C, copy, paste it in there, then go into your database, click job posts, and make sure you get a user that's got job posts, and then when you get it, return some job posts. So get this one, or whatever you've called your user, back into, where are you, back into Postman. Yeah, so put that up there, make sure it's a get request. There's no token needed for this one, so we just send it. So when you get that error 9, come into here, go into your functions, then into logs, and then see I got the error here. Oh, just trying to copy it, 1 second. Copy that. The best way to copy this, to click it, is to come back in here, to copy that. Just paste it on the screen anywhere. Oh, my bad. Apologize, quite annoying. Command, oh goodness gracious. You can probably copy it better than I can, but I'm trying to copy this. Oh my god. copy. So hopefully you did a better job than me. Paste it on the screen, and then you get this one that you can click on. Well, just press Command C, open, and I've already done this, but it'll say create index, and you just click yes. So I've already created it. So anyway, create index, click yes, so go through it and see it'll be enabled, and then once it's enabled, then you come back into job post, click send, and you should get it like this. And if you haven't, go back to your logs. You might have a small error or something. Okay, so that's it for this function. Okay, continuing on the lesson, we are going to do another function. Mark notifications as read. So when someone goes into their messages to see who's replied to the job posts, this function will get called and mark all the notifications as read, as in you've seen them. So when someone hasn't seen one, they'll get a thing saying there's a message you haven't read, etc. Okay, so come to index.js. Just add this below the other one. / notifications with the FB auth. Mark notifications as read. It's a post, app.post. So I'm going to post the IDs. And then up here, add mark notifications as read. Command S. Then you want to go to, so I get rid of this. This is a users one. So in users, exports.mark notifications read, request response, as always. So this is a batch, let batch equal database.batch. So this means it's going to get the IDs that we send. So we'll send an array of IDs, which I'll show you here. These two IDs are in the database. So for each, notifications.id, const notification equals database collection notifications.doc notification ID. So that is here, and then that's the notification. And then we're going to update them to read true. So this is false, they'll get updated to true, saying we've read them. Then we can change the screen accordingly, saying they're read. So once that's done, so you want to go batch.commit, then return notifications marked as read, and any errors like so. So Command S there. Now what you're going to have to do, this might take a while for you, though you have to, might be easy explaining here. Find a job post. You have to log in as one user, reply that job post, or maybe do it twice, reply the same job post twice of another user, and then you have to log in as that other user to get his token, and then you have to send the post from his thing. So hopefully that makes sense. So I'll go back to here. User, gotta find my login one, sign up. I think it's this one here. Nope. Sorry, I'll get it in a second. Job post, sign up, login, here we are, sorry. So I logged in is many. Copy that. And so you want to maybe use a sign up as someone else. See, I signed up as Tutu, and then I put a job post, and then I logged in as Romani, putting a reply. So once it's all done, so you want to go to the headers. This is an authorized one, so you want to put the token in there. Come to the body, this array, and get these tokens. Come into here, notifications. So you're going to be logged in as this user here, or yeah, whatever user you're copying these notifications from, you want to be logged in as them. So I'll get these I got these two. See, they're both from many. I'm logged in as many with all these numbers there. Sorry if this is confusing. So put those two numbers here. What I've done, I've called this before, but I've went back into the database, changed these back to false. See, these are false now, and I'll send this. Notification mark as red, come back into the database, and now they're true. So then you can test it again, turn it back to false if you wish. Otherwise, that's it. Yeah, I hope you understand that. You should be able to work it out. And that's it for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.